Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust Canva size and dimensions in Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Canva web application, which of course you've done right here. The next thing you'd like to do is to quickly head over to your editor. I'm going to open up a design that I am working on, and from there, we're going to get going. So it's taking me to the editing suite for the Canva editor. So here you go. It's opening up just great. All right. So here you go. Okay. We still have our settings. Our settings are still loading up, and this is pretty much how the design looks like. So once this is done, then we can now get over to the resizing option. But there is something I would like you to know before we start or before we proceed. Okay, so the option, all right, of resizing or adjusting the Canva size and dimensions in Canva is meant for pro users. So it means that if you want to resize any design on Canva, you literally need to try Canva Pro. So just click on try Canva Pro and subscribe. But then once you do that, this is where you can go to adjust the Canva size and dimension. So here it says resize the magic switch. So click that open, and it's going to take you to a window where you can now resize. So here you have resize the design into whatever format you need. Click that open, and now you have suggested formats. You have Instagram story, this. But then you can now head over to customize size to customize the size. So here you can tweak it. You can tweak a canvas to any size or dimension of your choice. But once you do that, as you can see, it's not going to work because this is free. So just go ahead and click on try it free for 30 days and subscribe. So that's pretty much how you can adjust Canva size and dimensions in Canva, only if you're a pro user. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with it.